हेलो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ShineScapes। तो मैंने अपने पैर का पेडिक्योर करवाया था, घर बैठे खुद से किया था और कौन सा रेमेडीज़ ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होते हैं, टैन रिमूव में हेल्प करता है। तो उसके बाद मैंने कुछ रेमेडीज़ फॉलो करके पेडिक्योर करवाया था, तो मैंने उसका वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करा था, मैं वो अपलोड कर रही हूँ। एंड ये जो स्टेप्स हैं बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है, क्योंकि मैंने पहली बार किया और पहली बार में मुझे रिजल्ट मिला था। तो अगर आप ऐसे महीने में एक बार भी करते हो तो आपकी फुट केयर के लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होते हैं। एंड आई होप दिस वीडियो विल हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। सो चलिए जल्दी से वीडियो को देखें।
So here our first step is cleansing. For this you need a nail polish remover to remove all the nail paint, and here I'm using this nail polish remover tissue. If you have extra nails then you have to cut it. I don't have any extra nails here, so I will leave it as it is. After this I will take some lukewarm water in a tub, and in it I will add 2 tablespoons of salt. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of any shampoo that you have, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now mix it well until it's get foamy, and then dip your feet into this water and let it stay for 10 minutes. After that, take a foot filer and gently rub on your heels to remove all the dead cells. Then take a loofah and rub up on your feet, and it will remove all the dirt. Step number 2, scrubbing. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour, then I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and lastly I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Then mix it well by using a toothbrush. You can add a little water if you want. Now using this toothbrush, scrub your face in circular motion and especially scrub your fingertips. It will also help to remove the dead cells. Then dip your feet in the same water and wash it properly with your hands. This will make your dead skin very soft, and then with the help of a cuticle remover, remove all the dead skins as I'm showing here. You have to follow the steps properly, step by step, as I'm showing in the video. So you have to follow the steps properly, and then you can see the result. After cleaning all the dead cells, the last step is moisturizing. Use any body lotion or moisturizer to moisturize your feet. Here I am using Nivea body lotion. You can use the Vaseline petroleum jelly also. Now massage it for at least 1 minute, and then you will see the result. Here I am massaging in this way, you can see, and yes, you will surely see the difference.